is the color of this season. And when our Desi girl Priyanka Chopra Jonas wears it, it looks even hotter. She attended the global premiere of her upcoming action thriller series Citadel in London on Tuesday night. And OMG, just look at her. For the occasion, she was seen in an off-shoulder deep neck red gown which accentuated her figure. And obviously, all eyes were on her. She opted for a neat hairstyle and red lips and wore diamond earrings and rings for accessories. Just like us, her husband Nick Jonas looked obsessed with her red dress as he joined her at the London premiere. He posted a video of Priyanka posing from different angles and captioned it #RedDress. Wow! Nick himself looked dapper in a turtleneck beneath his black tuxedo, and their mushy pictures together from the premiere are all over the internet. Then comes our crush of this season, Richard Madden, who looked dreamy in all black, and we can't stop drooling over him. There were some more actors from our Desi brigade who attended the premiere. Samantha Ruth Prabhu chose an all-black look for the evening and looked stunning. She wore a quad set with scallop detailing around the hem with a statement neckpiece and bracelet. Varun Dhawan twinned with her and went casual with a black see-through t-shirt, matching denim pants, boots and a jacket. Everybody looked great, right? But as we mentioned before, Priyanka clearly took the limelight with her red dress, and we are glad to see her slaying this hot favorite color. First Kiara Advani, Shraddha Kapoor and Suhana Khan, then Rakulpreet Singh, and now Priyanka. Everyone has really rocked the color. At this point, we think the only thing that can help us get over Priyanka's red hot outing is, well, another bold avatar at a red carpet. Who do you think looks the best in red? Comment below and do subscribe to Shosha for more such fashion content.